All right, we are live recording this test video. So I'm gonna show you guys the steps to set up Microsoft 365 and how cool it is. I'm using Google Hangouts. It's actually live right now. I can hear my voice in my headset. I don't know if you can. All right, so here we go. First step, head on over into OneNote. By far the coolest note-taking application. I used to use Evernote, really cool. This is just really easy to use. So I can type, take notes. If I'm in a lecture, I can be like, yo, lecture 1. If I want to record the lecture, I can insert a audio. And then as the professor talks through the meeting, I can continue typing. I can take notes. In 1976, in 2015, it developed. And then you don't have to, the nice thing is you don't have to take perfect notes because the audio is synced up with the text. So as I go down the lecture, end of lecture, I can stop and I can go back here and I want to figure out what he said about this section. I just hit play and boom, it jumps back to that part. You can't hear it, but I can. Pretty cool way to record your lectures. Well, I don't know. It works well with my mic, but maybe it doesn't work that well with anything else. If you are needing to record something else, you can enter a recording. So as I'm talking, it's recording my voice, my words, and then I can hit stop. And then when I hit search, it will search the words within that recording. Insane, I know. Let's see, so whatever I said, I think I recorded one a while back. Matches, okay. No high confidence audio matches found. So, confidence. So that's not, so you need to leave OneNote open, but wow, indexing an hour of audio can take up to 3 hours. Okay, so might not be the best solution, but definitely leave OneNote open. We'll see if it comes back. All right. Next, we're going to go check out OneDrive. OneDrive is basically Dropbox, but you get a free 1,000 gigabytes of data storage. So my computer's pretty, I don't know, it's not that slow, but I like having everything on the cloud. Right now I don't have much on my computer, but I can go down here, select OneDrive, right click, settings, choose folders. It brings up my folders, and then I can sync whatever I want with OneDrive. So that could be useful. OneDrive is also nice because it stores all your music in the cloud, but then you can stream it live. So I don't have any music on my computer, but I can stream it all, and it's all right there, which might be a problem if you don't like using data, but most of the people that I know, if you have a paid data plan, I don't have a problem with data, so I always have extra. All right, So here's back to OneDrive. If I wanted to sync my stuff with my computer, all I would have to go down is click music and sync it, just that. And it'll sync 16 gigabytes to my computer. I don't want to. I don't like having a lot of data on my computer. All right. Just a reference for OneDrive, everything's online. So if you want to collaborate with people, you can. If you want to edit it live, you can. That's the nice thing about OneDrive is if I change something, it'll automatically be changed. So both Alyssa and I can edit it simultaneously, and we can create documents. This is the same with Word, PowerPoint, Excel. It's pretty much simultaneously editing capable. All right, last but not least, speech recognition. So if you say, hey Siri, or hey Cortana, open speech recognition. So speech recognition is great because you can fill forms. So say I want to go on the internet and I can type here, I can say YouTube, start listening, YouTube, YouTube. All right, so it doesn't really work in there, but I have found that it works in Word, which is mind-blowing. So I've always been slow typer, but guess what? That doesn't matter anymore because now I can just talk into my mic and I'm moving, my hands are moving. I can be knitting and sewing while this works. And Microsoft Word is syncing with voice speech recognition to write what I think and write what I say. It's not perfect, and you still have to say period if you want a period, but that's good. That's good enough for me. I mean, this if I had this technology when I was in school, those procrastinating on papers would not have been a problem. I would just open up Word, I would just start talking. Here's my rough draft. Man, this is going to change so much, this software. Enter. This makes it so that people like me who have trouble typing, people who are dyslexic, people who have trouble spelling doesn't matter anymore. You talk and then it writes. What matters is your ability to create sentences and word structures and use big words. I think the other incredible thing is that you can hear yourself. I know it doesn't sound like a big issue, but I'm hearing my words as I speak them, and there's something deeper there, something more human, relational words. That's how we communicate. One of the problems with written text is that it doesn't always make sense. It's hard to read. It's static. When I'm talking, these are actually sounds coming out of my mouth. I'm hearing them. I can hear how they sound. It's giving me a almost rapid prototyping. I can rapid prototype my speeches, and I get instant feedback on how it sounds in real life rather than writing it and then reading it back to me and then trying to hear it in my head. It's very difficult to do. Versus this is child's play. Anybody can be a writer now. Anybody. Like, if I wanted to write, I will test this. I will write a book, and I will publish that book this weekend. And this book will be 500 pages long using this font. That is my promise to you. I will time it, and I will figure out how long it takes me to write that much. And if there's any big editing issues, that's probably going to take the longest. So maybe I won't do that. But just getting content out, I'm going to test that. So that's my challenge to me. I'm going to report back later. So until I hear from you again, I hope you guys have a wonderful time trying out this new Microsoft stuff. All for now, and keep it real. Yo. All right, all for now. Bye.